up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Akia Chic. So today we're going to be doing a mini Ulta beauty haul. I got a $40 Ulta gift card from Secret Santa from my job, so shout out to them. I try to refrain from shopping from Ulta because I just feel like some of their products are way more expensive than they are at like regular drugstores like Walmart, Target. But Ulta, they always have like some really good coupons and discounts. So I got a gift card, you know, so I was like, why not see what they was working with? If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. You're sitting here, why not subscribe? I would really appreciate the support. And if you haven't already, make sure you turn on those post notifications. That will just notify you whenever I upload a video. So yeah, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get right into the haul. Okay, so I went online and in store. I went in there looking for a nice eyeshadow palette. I wanted to try the James Charles Morphe palette, but it was sold out everywhere. And I'm like, I could spend this whole gift card on that, or I could just buy smaller things, you know, at a cheaper price. So the first thing I seen was this Maybelline Soda Pop eyeshadow palette. First of all, I love this. I heard a lot of people like talking about it on YouTube, and I only heard like good reviews, so I wanted to try it out for myself. But this palette is gorgeous, y'all. You can use it for every day. You can use it for dramatic looks. I'm wearing the palette on my eyes today. I just think it's a nice palette to have. It's definitely a good size for traveling. So yeah, I really love this. First of all, Ulta has so many coupons. This is like the first trip I went, and it was buy one get one half off. You get a free gift with Maybelline. Plus, if you spend $15, you get $3.50 off. I'm just like, just give me all the coupons. I love it. Just bring them all to me. But anyways, I got this gel eyeliner from Maybelline. Only gel eyeliner I used was e.l.f. and it dried out on me. So yeah, I wanted to try something else. But yeah, this eyeliner in Black is Black. I've tried this before. It's pretty good. Yeah, no complaints over here. And the free gift they gave me was this Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner, and I use that today. It's in a travel size too. I don't have no complaints. I don't really like the pens because I feel like they dry out quickly. But I guess we'll just have to see the test of time, see if this thing lasts. But it did pretty good. I can create a nice wing on my eye. So that's all I bought when I went in store. The first thing I really wanted to try was this Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I'm not a big fan of the scent. It reminds me, well, you know, like potpourri, like, you know, when your mom, grandma has like potpourri sitting around the house. That's what this smells like. I don't know, I kind of want something more. I should have got the cucumber one that they had. I might buy that one too. But it is, aside from like the old, you know, that potpourri scent, I think it is a good spray. It's very hydrating. Yeah, I used it today and it felt really good. I sprayed it on my Fenty foundation because you know how matte they are. So I sprayed on there. I felt really refreshed. So I did the Maybelline buy one get one half off because it's a good deal. I got this Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Peach. I've seen all the reviews on this. All the YouTubers are raving over it, and I can approve. This stuff is bomb. I use it on my chest, on my cheek, on my nose, and this is bomb. I want to try this in different colors, and it's only $9.99. Like, you can't go wrong. I'm gonna get this stuff. This stuff is good. And what I got for half off is the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Deep. I've used this today. It's pretty good. I don't have any flashback or anything going on, so yeah, I think this is a pretty good powder. And the last thing I got is from e.l.f. It's just this Luxe Lash Kit, and yeah, it was only like $1.99, so I wanted to try it out. I really hate their like $1 eyelashes. Them things are so cheap. I don't know why they still sell them things, but I seen these were different, and it come with tweezers, and they're like not the regular tweezers, they're like lash tweezers, so they're like that. So yeah, I really can't wait to try out these eyelashes. But yeah, that is it for this haul, guys. All this stuff is bomb. Only thing I haven't tried out is the lashes, but everything else is pretty bomb. I bought a lot of Maybelline products, so if you guys want to see like a full face Maybelline, me create some looks with some Maybelline products, I would love to do that for y'all. That is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy the haul. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up. That just lets me know, you know, maybe I should share more of my beauty hauls. I think this is like the first one I've done with beauty and makeup and stuff. So if you like it, show some love. I would appreciate it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to check out my previous video, just click over here. And if you want to subscribe, just click over here. If you want to do both, I would love that. I would really love that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.